Hi everybody, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on navigating key features of the Crypto.com app. The Crypto.com app is a dynamic and feature-rich platform that enables users to seamlessly interact with the world of cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, the app provides a user-friendly interface for buying, selling, and managing digital assets, all within a secure and intuitive environment. Whether you're looking to trade cryptocurrencies, earn passive income through staking, explore decentralized applications, dApps, or participate in the growing NFT and gaming ecosystem, Crypto.com offers a comprehensive suite of tools to meet your needs. With real-time market tracking, secure wallet management, and a variety of earning opportunities, users can easily stay on top of market trends and maximize their portfolio's potential. The app also integrates seamlessly with the Cronos blockchain, giving users access to cutting-edge DeFi and NFT projects. Its powerful search and navigation functions make it easy to discover trending assets, find promising investment opportunities, and execute transactions with just a few taps. Whether you're a casual investor or a crypto enthusiast seeking advanced trading options, the Crypto.com app provides an all-in-one solution for navigating the ever-evolving world of digital assets. This tutorial will explore various functionalities within the app, guiding you through its essential tools and advanced capabilities. We will break down each feature step by step, providing clear explanations and practical examples to help you grasp their purpose and usability. Whether you're a beginner looking to familiarize yourself with the basics or an experienced user aiming to refine your skills, this guide has something for everyone. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a thorough understanding of these features, allowing you to navigate the app with confidence and maximize its potential to enhance your productivity and efficiency. The Home tab is the starting point of the Crypto.com app, offering key insights into various cryptocurrencies and market trends. It provides users with real-time data on price movements, trading volume, and emerging digital assets, ensuring they have up-to-date information at their fingertips. The tab is designed for easy navigation, allowing users to explore top gainers, market news, and personalized watch lists. Additionally, it features quick access to portfolio tracking, enabling users to monitor their holdings efficiently. By navigating through its different sections, you can stay informed about market dynamics, identify potential investment opportunities, and make well-informed financial decisions with confidence. The Hot section highlights cryptocurrencies that are currently gaining traction among traders and investors. These assets may be experiencing increased trading volume, significant price movements, or widespread media coverage, making them stand out in the market. This section provides a dynamic snapshot of trending coins, helping users quickly identify which digital assets are capturing attention. By monitoring the Hot section regularly, users can stay ahead of market trends, spot potential investment opportunities, and make timely trading decisions. Whether you're looking for short-term gains or evaluating long-term prospects, this feature serves as a valuable tool for staying informed about the most active and talked-about cryptocurrencies. The top category showcases the leading cryptocurrencies based on crucial metrics such as market capitalization, trading volume, and overall dominance in the crypto market. This section is particularly useful for tracking major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top-performing digital assets, providing a clear view of the most influential coins in the industry. By analyzing this category, users can gauge market sentiment, identify stable investment options, and compare the performance of top assets over time. Additionally, the top section can help traders and investors make informed decisions by offering insights into long-term trends, price stability, and the overall strength of the crypto market. The new section displays recently listed cryptocurrencies on the Crypto.com platform, offering users a first look at emerging digital assets. This section is ideal for those interested in discovering innovative blockchain projects before they gain mainstream traction. By exploring newly added tokens, users can stay ahead of market trends and potentially identify high-growth opportunities early. Each listing typically includes key details such as project background, use cases, and trading volume, helping investors assess the potential of these assets. For those looking to diversify their portfolio with fresh and promising projects, the new section serves as a valuable resource for early-stage investment insights. The Gainers section lists cryptocurrencies that have experienced the highest percentage gains in price over the last 24 hours, highlighting assets with strong upward momentum. By tracking this section, traders can quickly identify bullish trends and potential short-term trading opportunities. The Gainers list often reflects market sentiment, showcasing assets that are attracting increased buying interest. This section is particularly useful for active traders looking to capitalize on price surges, as well as investors seeking insights into emerging trends. However, while high-performing assets can present profit opportunities, it's essential to conduct thorough research and risk analysis before making investment decisions based solely on short-term gains. The Losers section highlights cryptocurrencies that have experienced the most significant percentage declines over the past 24 hours. This section provides valuable insights into underperforming assets, helping traders identify potential buying opportunities in coins that may be temporarily oversold or undervalued. By analyzing this category, users can assess whether a price drop is part of a broader trend or a short-term dip, allowing them to strategize accordingly. Some traders may look for potential market reversals, while others may use this information to avoid assets facing prolonged downward momentum. Careful research and risk management are essential when considering investments from this section, as not all declining assets will recover quickly. The Made in USA category is dedicated to cryptocurrencies that originate from or are primarily operated within the United States. It highlights projects with a strong US market presence, regulatory compliance, and adherence to industry standards set by American financial authorities. This section is particularly useful for investors who prioritize transparency, legal security, and alignment with US regulatory frameworks. By focusing on these assets, users can explore projects that benefit from the country's robust financial ecosystem, institutional support, and technological innovation. Additionally, this category may appeal to those who prefer investing in blockchain initiatives with a strong domestic foundation and long-term growth potential in the US market. The Wallet section is essential for managing your digital assets, offering a seamless experience for handling transactions and monitoring your holdings. It provides a secure and convenient way to buy cryptocurrencies using multiple payment methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and even other cryptocurrencies. In addition to facilitating purchases, the Wallet section allows users to store their digital assets safely while maintaining easy access for trading or transferring funds. It integrates real-time balance tracking, ensuring users can monitor portfolio performance and asset values at a glance. With user-friendly navigation and built-in security measures, the Wallet section simplifies cryptocurrency management, making it an indispensable tool for both novice and experienced investors. This functionality ensures easy access to digital assets for both beginners and experienced investors. The ability to send cryptocurrencies allows users to transfer funds to external wallets or other users within the Crypto.com ecosystem by entering the recipient's wallet address or scanning a QR code. Receiving funds is just as straightforward, with a unique wallet address and QR code generated to facilitate secure transactions. Additionally, the Wallet section includes an earning feature that allows users to stake their cryptocurrencies, providing an opportunity to generate passive income by locking up digital assets for a specified period and accruing interest. This feature enables users to put their holdings to work, maximizing returns while maintaining long-term investment strategies. Staking rewards vary based on the asset type and lockup duration, offering flexibility to cater to different financial goals. Beyond earning potential, the wallet section ensures security and convenience by integrating advanced protection measures and real-time portfolio tracking. With these features, it serves as a powerful and efficient tool for managing cryptocurrency holdings, empowering users to grow their assets while maintaining control over their investments. At the bottom of that, you will find 3 main navigation tabs that provide quick access to important sections. The Crypto tab acts as the central hub for all cryptocurrency-related services, including real-time trading, market analysis, and portfolio management. It provides comprehensive tools for both beginner and experienced traders. The Earn tab offers a direct access point to the Earn program, allowing you to view available staking options and manage your passive income strategy. The NFTs tab connects you to Crypto.com /NFT marketplace, where you can explore, buy, sell, and manage non-fungible tokens across various categories such as art, music, sports, and collectibles. Tapping the 2-arrow icon on the Home tab unlocks additional features that enhance your app experience, providing quick access to essential transaction functions. The Send function, similar to the Wallet section, enables you to transfer cryptocurrencies swiftly and securely to external wallets or other users within the ecosystem. With a streamlined process, users can complete transactions efficiently while ensuring the safety of their digital assets. The Receive option generates a unique wallet address and QR code, making it easy to accept crypto transfers from other users or exchanges. These features offer a seamless way to manage transactions directly from the Home tab, improving accessibility and user convenience. The Swap and Bridge feature facilitates seamless cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing you to swap one asset for another instantly without the need for a traditional trading platform. This provides users with a quick and efficient way to adjust their portfolios based on market conditions. Additionally, the bridging function enables the transfer of assets between different blockchain networks, enhancing the interoperability of your holdings. By supporting cross-chain transactions, this feature allows users to move assets across various ecosystems without relying on centralized exchanges, offering greater flexibility and accessibility. With its streamlined interface and secure processing, Swap and Bridge simplifies asset management while expanding opportunities for decentralized finance participation. The Perpetual section introduces perpetual contracts, a type of derivative that allows traders to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements without owning the underlying asset. Unlike traditional futures contracts, perpetual contracts have no expiration date, enabling traders to maintain positions indefinitely as long as margin requirements are met. This feature is primarily designed for advanced users employing leveraged trading strategies, allowing them to amplify potential gains while also increasing risk exposure. By utilizing leverage, traders can control larger positions with a smaller capital investment, making it a powerful tool for those who understand market dynamics. However, due to the volatility and complexity of perpetual trading, it is essential for users to have a solid risk management strategy in place. Dagon Arcade is a unique feature within Crypto.com on-chain, designed as a specialized trading terminal for meme coins. It provides users with a streamlined platform to discover and trade trending meme coins with ease. Catering to high-risk traders, this feature is ideal for those seeking speculative opportunities in the rapidly evolving meme coin market. With real-time data, intuitive trading tools, and quick transaction execution, Dagon Arcade enhances the trading experience for users looking to capitalize on volatile price movements. Given the unpredictable nature of meme coins, this feature appeals to traders who thrive on market trends and are willing to embrace the associated risks for potential high rewards. The search menu within the Crypto.com app is a powerful tool for exploring decentralized applications and market trends. It includes various categories that provide users with access to an extensive range of dApps. The Popular section highlights dApps that are widely used or trending within the Crypto.com ecosystem. These applications offer diverse functionalities, ranging from financial services to gaming. The Chronos category focuses on dApps built on the Chronos blockchain, Crypto.com, S native blockchain network. It includes applications related to decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming, all leveraging Chronos' efficient infrastructure. Now, if you're diving into the world of crypto and want to take your trading game to the next level, I've got something you're going to love. Imagine having a tool that automates your trades, works 24/7, and helps you maximize profits, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I've been using CryptoHopper, and it's a game changer for both beginners and experienced traders. The best part? You can try it for free. If you're ready to simplify your crypto journey and start trading smarter, click the link in the description to get started with CryptoHopper today.